Hello, welcome to Peter Watson's. My name is Tom, the sales executive here at the garage. Today I'm just going to be taking you around this beautiful Audi RS3. It comes with loads of extras, including sat-nav, front and rear sensors, Bluetooth, leather seats, and really nice stitching. But without further ado, let's take a look. And there you go. So if you are interested in this vehicle, or indeed any of the others that you've seen on our website, please do give us a call on 01756 792 911 and look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers now.